so good. Oh, I love them. Okay, I can't get in my beard. Here we go. I just have to take a bite of it, okay?
Yep.
No, it is happening. I'm getting rid of this.
What?
The Tannerites is going away.
Oh man.
Everywhere.
What is
You have to
this?
find it. It's a pillow.
What?
It is confirmed. It is confirmed. It was the.
April Fools!
Fun Squad!